Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to make these super cute DIY paper Easter eggs. The supplies you're going to need for this are 65-pound cardstock, a glue gun, a cutting machine, I like to use Cricut cutting machine, clear runner tape, and my egg templates. And all 6 of these egg template designs that you see in these photographs here are actually completely free on my blog in my subscriber resource library. And the link will be below this video in the YouTube video description. So make sure you head over there and grab all these wonderful Easter egg templates. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I have my egg template cut out here, and I scaled mine to fill an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. You can also do 12 by 12 if you want it to be a little bit bigger. And you're just going to want to fold at the base of the eggs, and then all the little tabs you see along the long strip, you're going to want to fold those up. And if you want, you can also place score lines and have your machine score it for you. I find it just as easy to just fold them up. So that's the first thing you're going to want to do for your egg there. Then what we're going to be doing is we're going to be placing dots of hot glue along each of these tabs and folding it around the egg. And you only want to work on one side at a time. Don't try and do both, just work on one side at a time here. So I'm just starting on this one side of the egg, and I'm going to get that whole strip glued on before I turn the egg over and do the back side. Make sure you're placing your tabs slightly below the edge of the egg. You don't want it to be like perfectly in line because you don't want to see any glue oozing out. You don't want to, if you miss kind of where you get it in line, you don't want it to look uneven. So from the top of the egg, we want it to look nice and smooth. So just go a little bit below the edge of the egg when you're gluing those tabs on. As you get down to the base of the egg, you're going to want to tuck that piece of paper behind the egg and then continue to add your glue. I'm going to glue that overlapping tab from the opposite side down. And now you see that it's a lot easier for us to glue the other side of the egg down. And if you want to here, you can add some candy inside, or if you want to add some confetti or a little toy or something like that, that's where you would want to do that before you add your glue to close this up. I'm not doing it here for example's sake, but the last part is just going to be to fold the other side of that egg over the tabs from the other side. And you can see that it's a lot easier to do one side at a time to get that second side glued together than it is to try and do it both sides at the same time when folding the egg. So your egg should look something like that. And these take a little bit of practice, so if you don't get it right the first time, just try again. And then you can add a decorative design over the top and overlay. And what I used for this is just a clear scrapbooking like photo runner tape, and just carefully run it along the design in the back and try to go slow so you don't rip the design. And then once you get plenty of tape placed on top of that, you'll just place it on top of the egg, and that's a really fun way to just add a little bit of detail to this egg. These are really simple and fun, and like I said, I have 6 designs and they're all free to you on the blog, so make sure you click the link below this video and go make a bunch of really cute, fun 3D paper Easter eggs. I'll see you guys next time. Find these templates and more freebies on AbbiKirstenCollections.com.